Alright, you guys, well, turns out I'm going to try and keep these two videos that I'm going to make you guys. I'll make you guys the Stratos video a different day because that video is too long. So I'm going to do, you guys have two favorites, I ran all that like right now. So we're going to do the Dirt Devil and Endura Reach, and then up will be the Shark Stratos for the front room area by the door. So I'm going to do this one right now. Like I said, guys, I really don't want to let out a lot of cord, guys. I'm just going to use this by the door anyhow. I don't want to reach, I don't really want to do too much with it anyway, so I'm just going to use half the cord. Which kind of makes sense in most people's opinion. So I'm not going to go into a whole vacuum session, Maybe I'll try and get some cobwebs with it, maybe, since it's got the cool wind on the handle that comes off. It's just pretty neat. Okay, guys, let's see what we can do here. Alright, guys, so here you go. And even better, if I do need more cord, the cord usually comes off on its own. Plus, I have that long 15-foot cord that I got Ace Hardware a while back. Alright, guys, so I'm going to move my shoes out of the way. Because you guys look closely enough, look at all that. A lot of dirt. And I don't believe the Shark really did a good job. And I think this cord is only for this vacuum, guys. I think it's only about like 23 feet, so here you go. I'm going to start vacuuming right now. Yeah, it's a lot better. I'm trying to let the Shark anymore, right? You guys, I'm just going to state a fact here. But this is the vacuum you want to have to use on your area rug, especially the light ones. It's not going to have any major issues getting it up, What you can do, use this on your area rug. One aspiration here is a fixed pipe. That's pretty nice. So vacuum the front of footrest a little bit. Yeah, I don't really have any cobwebs in here, guys. You're pretty lucky. However, let's shout it on the top one. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Well, guys, that got it all up with the Dirt Devil and Endura Reach, so that's a good thing. So I'll tell you what. I'll still make you guys a video with the Endura, not the Endura, I'll still make you guys a video with the Shark Power Tech. Like I said, this thing here does so much better across the floor. It doesn't get stuck on the foot. Slides right across the carpet, and when the Shark gets stuck on it, So yeah, it does well, but I can definitely utilize the Shark guys on the tile, real nicely. I have no complaints or issues that I wouldn't recommend the Dirt Devil and Reach for. Like I said, there's a lot of nice things about this vacuum, besides it's easy to maneuver. It's actually really lightweight. So I can steer it. quite easy too, guys, you know. And you just stay by that. There leaves a lot to be said here, you know. There leaves a lot to be... Go fix up and out of here. I don't have to worry about the cord. I'll be perfectly honest, this is actually all around a great vacuum, guys. I have had no problem with it. And it's lightweight. So there is something I like more about this one than I would say the only way I would take a mark off of the Dirt Devil multi-surface, and it's a dislike. The hose is, look at the hose on this thing. This hose is long. Now, if you see my Dirt Devil and multi-surface, guys, it is a short little hose. I mean, you can't even, like, I couldn't even clean the corners if I wanted to of the ceiling, guys, to get the cobwebs off. So, yeah, that would not be the highlight of that vacuum. That would be, like, one of the downfalls, but one of the major pros of it is super good filtration, mind you. This one's got pretty decent filtration too, guys. Is all I have to do. Oh shit! You know what? Excuse me. My hand grab tool fell down. I don't have many complaints on this unit at all. All I will say is, if you have one of these units, please make sure you vacuum off your foam sleeve. They'll go a long ways. You know, make sure you make it a weekly thing for your filter. Once a week, clean it off. Put it back in, you know, vacuum off the foam sleeve. I think the paper filter, I believe you can wash it unless it's falling apart, but I recommend making a trip to Walmart, which it's not that expensive for a filter. Last I got a filter for this thing, it was only like $6. So, alright guys, upcoming next is the Power Detect.